Hi friends, I'm Taupriyan.
I'm Jaypriya.
So today we're back with another video.
So today we're making alfredo pasta.
So alfredo pasta, a lot of people like it, right Priya?
Yeah, so before the video starts, my brother's gonna tell you what to do.
So make sure to subscribe and turn on the bell icon because you guys want to stay updated when we post the next video and watch us too. So also click this button, the like button, if you enjoyed this video. So let's get into the video. So Priya, let's
go.
She's out for miles.
What we need is dried pasta.
So the next thing we need is pasta sauce, but it's 410 milliliters, but you can also use tomato sauce optionally. So yeah, this is what we use, pasta sauce, 410 milliliter.
So we need 1 can of tuna fish, which is cooked.
We also need 3 sets of parsley leaves. We cut it just like this small.
So we also have 10 mushrooms. So make sure you pick them carefully from the store because they might be black, but you have to get the white ones.
The next 2 items we need is 1 red onion, or you can use white onion, but also 5 garlic cloves.
So we need oil as needed.
We need 1 teaspoon of dried thyme.
So we need 1 teaspoon of black pepper powder.
We need salt to taste. So recently we showed you what needed and the ingredients for the alfredo pasta. So now let's go cooking. So let's go.
Go.
Water is boiling, so the next step is to put the pasta in and then make it boil, but also put the salt in.
Now put the pasta in.
Keep mixing it. Make sure it boils for 10 minutes. The 10 minutes is the approximate time for it to boil good.
So then we're going to filter it into a pot. So now we're going to take the spoon out.
And then the next step is the filter. So just wait like this.
So now it's already boiled for 10 minutes. So now it's ready to take it out. So now we're going to filter it. So my mom is helping me with filtering it because I can't touch hot stuff. It's not safe. So my mom's helping me with it. So keep on filtering it out. So make sure the water goes in, but the pasta stays out. So right now it's boiling. So we're going to put the sauce into the pot. So it can be boiled for 2 minutes. So now it's boiling. So keep on mixing it properly. We bought the sauce from the store, but it's cold, so that's why we're heating it. So that's why we have it in this pot and boiling it. It's almost done, so we keep on mixing it until it really boils. So it's almost done, so now we're going to keep it aside.
So first we have to put the oil and make sure it fries really good. Make sure it boils and fries just like this, like yeah. And then you want to like mix it like a little. Make sure the oil like is like that. Make sure to like turn the pot like that.
So now it's keep on boiling.
So next put the garlic cloves in and make sure it boils and fries really good.
And then start mixing it.
Make sure it makes that sound when it fries and boils. Wait, why are we saying it's boiling? It's actually frying.
Oh.
Yeah, so it's frying basically. So make sure it fries really good.
And then put the garlic cloves.
Put more garlic cloves.
So now keep on mixing the garlic cloves. Make sure you mix it all over so the oil comes all over it.
Make sure it fries really good. Don't mix it, fry it really good.
So now we're gonna put the onions. So now we're done putting the onions and keep on mixing it with the cloves.
Priya, don't mix it. Fry it.
Oh, but we're still frying it, but mixing it. But we're still mixing it though. So now we're gonna put the other ingredients later.
So add 1 teaspoon of thyme and then start mixing. Make sure all of them come together just like this. Watch how we do it and mix. Now make sure to add the black pepper powder. So we're gonna add that in as a seasoning. So then after that, keep mixing. Make sure to mix it really good. Make sure it should be like this. So we put the mushroom in and the thyme and the black pepper powder. So keep mixing really good. Then after that, make sure to put the salt. And then keep mixing until everything is together. So the next ingredient is to put the tuna. Make sure to put the tuna and make sure to mix it after you put the tuna. So make sure the tuna is like this, so keep mixing it.
Make sure you mix well.
So once the mushroom and everything is fried, make sure to add the pasta sauce just like this and then keep mixing.
So now it looks really creamy.
And it should be the thicky flavor like that. It should be like the sauce of the pasta. And then next step, we're going to add the pasta in. So the sauce should be like this and then mix.
Make sure it's really creamy. So make sure you boil it for 2 minutes so everything comes together and keep on stirring it. So make sure you mix it well, then start putting the pasta in that we boiled. So put all of them in and then start mixing it. So keep on putting it well. And then start mixing it with the sauce. So now we're going to put the parsley leaves because it's almost done. So now we're putting the parsley leaves because the recipe is almost done. So put the parsley leaves all over. Make sure you put all of them. So keep on mixing it. Make sure you mix it all over until the parsley leaves come all over. So now it's ready to take it out.
So thanks for watching. The pasta turned out really delicious.
Yeah, and it was really good.
Yeah, so make sure to subscribe. We're so close to 1,000 subscribers. We need 100 more, guys. Please, subscribe, guys. Also, keep supporting us. Thank you so much for that. So let's go to other cooking video vlog. So, bye.